Weak legs don't usually become a problem overnight. And for many people, they don't begin the day they fall, they begin months earlier, when strength quietly starts slipping away. What if the weakness in your legs isn't just getting older, but one of the first signs that your body is no longer getting the daily support it needs to stay strong? Have your legs started feeling heavier when you stand up, less steady when you walk, or more tired after simple things that never used to bother you? Maybe stairs feel harder now, or maybe deep down you just don't trust your legs the way you used to. And here's what many people never realize. Weak legs don't always start with pain. Sometimes they begin with subtle warning signs like slower steps, poor balance, stiffness, or that strange feeling that your lower body just doesn't feel as reliable anymore. A lot of people brush this off as just aging, but that can be a costly mistake. Because in many cases, your legs may simply be missing the support they need from the foods you eat every day. And some of the most important foods for stronger, steadier legs are surprisingly simple. But if they're missing from your routine, your body may be paying the price long before you notice the damage. And this is where things become more serious, because weak legs are not always just about using them less or getting older. In many cases, the real problem starts much deeper, when your body quietly begins losing the very things your legs need to stay strong in the first place. One of the biggest reasons this happens is age-related muscle loss. And it often starts so gradually that many people don't notice it until simple things begin to feel harder. Getting up from a chair, walking at a normal pace, or standing for longer than they used to. But that's only one part of the problem. Poor circulation can make things even worse. Because if blood flow isn't reaching your lower body the way it should, your leg muscles may not be getting the oxygen and nourishment they need to feel energized, steady, and reliable. And then there's another hidden issue that many people never think about. Not eating enough of the right foods to help your muscles repair, rebuild, and stay protected over time. Which means this can happen even if you're trying to stay active. You can be walking more, moving more, doing your best, and still feel like your legs are getting weaker simply because your body doesn't have the support it needs to keep those muscles strong. And that's what makes this so frustrating. Because some of the everyday eating habits that seem completely harmless can quietly make this worse over time. Which is exactly why the foods you eat each day may matter far more for leg strength than most people have ever been told. And one of the most overlooked foods for stronger legs is something many people already have in their kitchen: eggs. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, one of the biggest things your body needs is enough high-quality protein. Because your muscles can't stay strong if they don't have the building blocks to repair and maintain themselves. And that becomes even more important with age. Because if your body keeps falling short on protein day after day, your leg muscles may slowly lose the strength, stability, and recovery they need to keep up with everyday movement. That's when getting up feels harder, walking feels more tiring, and your legs start feeling weaker than they should. Eggs can help because they provide protein your body can actually use, making them one of the simplest and most effective foods for supporting muscle strength. And here's the part many people miss. They're not necessarily eating badly. They're just not eating enough of the right things early in the day, especially at breakfast, when your body can really benefit from muscle-supporting nutrition. So if your legs have been feeling more tired, less steady, or weaker than they used to, adding eggs regularly may be one of the easiest places to start. But if your legs also feel heavy, sluggish, or slow, the next food may matter even more. But if your legs don't just feel weak, if they also feel heavy, cold, tired, or sluggish, then strength may not be the only issue. Circulation could be part of the problem too. And that's exactly where beets can become surprisingly helpful. Because your leg muscles don't just need protein to stay strong, they also need a steady flow of oxygen and nutrients to keep working the way they should. And when that blood flow slows down, your legs can start feeling more drained, more uncomfortable, and less responsive than they used to. That can show up as tired legs after short walks, a heavy feeling in the calves, or simply not having the same lower body energy you once had. What makes beets so valuable is that they contain natural compounds that may help support blood vessel function and circulation, which can be especially important for the lower body, where blood flow often becomes more of a challenge with age. And here's what many people never realize. Sometimes weak-feeling legs are not just underused, they're undersupplied. So if your legs often feel like they run out of energy too fast, this could be one of the missing pieces. But weakness and heaviness still aren't the whole picture. Because for many people, the next problem is stiffness, soreness, and that tight, uncomfortable feeling in the legs. And that's where the next food becomes even more interesting. And here's where things get even more revealing, because sometimes weak legs are not just weak. They're inflamed, tight, and quietly irritated in ways many people never realize. So if your legs often feel stiff when you first get up, sore after walking, or unusually tight through the knees, calves, or joints, one food worth paying close attention to is fatty fish like salmon. Because one hidden reason legs can start feeling older than they should is ongoing inflammation. And over time, that can make your lower body feel more uncomfortable, less flexible, and harder to move with confidence. That's where salmon can help. It's rich in omega-3 fats, which are known for supporting the body's natural response to inflammation. And when that internal irritation starts easing, many people notice their body simply feels less stiff, less achy, and easier to use. And that matters more than most people think. Because when your legs feel uncomfortable every day, you naturally start moving less. And when you move less, your legs often get weaker even faster. That's the trap. So while protein helps support muscle, and circulation helps support energy in the legs, reducing inflammation may be one of the missing links that helps your legs feel more comfortable and usable again. But there's still another major reason legs can suddenly feel shaky, cramped, or like they tire out far too quickly. And most people never suspect it has anything to do with minerals. And this next one may explain something a lot of people feel, but rarely connect to food. Because if your legs cramp at night, feel shaky when you stand, or seem to tire out faster than they should, your body may be missing one of the simplest things your muscles need to work properly. Key minerals, especially potassium. And one of the easiest ways to get more of it is through something as simple as bananas. Now that may sound almost too basic to matter, but that's exactly why so many people overlook it. Because your leg muscles depend on minerals like potassium to help them contract, recover, and function smoothly. And when those systems are even slightly off, your body may start sending signals in the form of cramping, fatigue, weakness, or that strange, unsteady feeling many people notice more with age. And here's the part many people never realize. Sometimes what feels like leg weakness is actually your muscles struggling to work efficiently. That becomes even more common if you're not drinking enough water, if your appetite has changed, or if your meals have quietly become smaller and less balanced over time. That's why something as simple as eating more potassium-rich foods can matter far more than most people think. But even if you're eating some of these foods already, there's still one very common daily habit that quietly makes weak legs worse. And many people do it every single morning without even realizing it. Oh wow, so it's not just what I eat, it's how I eat it and what I do every day. Most people think these little choices don't matter, but over weeks and months, they can add up, silently weakening your legs while you go about your normal routine. Oh, I probably do that. That's why understanding not just what to eat, but how your daily habits support or sabotage your legs is one of the most important steps. And why the next section, the timing and pairing of these foods, can actually make a noticeable difference faster than most people expect. Even something as simple as not drinking enough water can affect circulation and muscle function. Even skipping water can leave your legs feeling drained, stiff, and more prone to cramps. Even small choices, like skipping that morning protein or grabbing a sugary snack, quietly chip away at your leg strength. Okay, I already know about eggs, beets, and bananas, but I didn't know timing mattered. That's different. You may start noticing legs that feel lighter, less tired, and surprisingly more stable, even if you've struggled with weakness for months. Small, strategic choices across breakfast, lunch, and dinner matter far more than one superfood meal. Pairing circulation-boosting foods like beets or leafy greens with a little healthy fat can help your body absorb the nutrients more effectively, giving your legs better support throughout the day. Pair circulation-boosting foods like beets or leafy greens with a little healthy fat. This helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively, giving your legs better support all day. Legs that feel lighter, less tired, and surprisingly more stable. Legs that actually feel like they used to, steady, strong, and ready to move without effort. Okay, this isn't just generic advice. They're considering my specific health issues. We get that one-size-fits-all advice doesn't work. Here's a more thoughtful approach. Finally, give your legs the support they've been silently asking for all along. These little details can make a big difference, because what works for your neighbor may not be right for you, and getting it wrong could leave your legs feeling worse, not better. And while these guidelines help you stay safe, there's one simple daily habit most people miss that can make your legs feel stronger even faster, and we'll cover that next. It's about regaining freedom and independence you may have started to feel slipping away. Because at this stage, it's not just about muscles or circulation. It's about reclaiming the ease of movement that makes everyday life feel lighter, safer, and more enjoyable. At this stage, it's not just muscles or circulation. It's about reclaiming ease of movement, feeling lighter, safer, and more confident every day. And the best part? You can start seeing these small changes in just a few days if you follow the simple steps we covered. Start treating your legs like they deserve support. Because when they're strong, your whole body feels more capable, more confident, and more independent. By focusing on protein to maintain muscle, foods that boost circulation, anti-inflammatory choices, and minerals that keep muscles firing properly, you're giving your legs a chance to stay strong, steady, and more reliable. Focus on protein to maintain muscle, foods that boost circulation, anti-inflammatory choices, and minerals that keep muscles firing properly. These steps give your legs a chance to stay strong, steady, and reliable. Start with just one meal or snack today that hits these key areas, and notice how your legs feel by tomorrow. Your whole body feels more capable, confident, and free to move without hesitation, just like it used to. Don't wait until weakness starts slowing you down. Your legs are sending quiet signals right now. Sometimes the first place the body whispers for help is in the legs. Small, simple changes done regularly can help your legs feel steadier, stronger, and more energized, giving you confidence in every step. Small, simple changes done regularly can help your legs feel steadier and stronger. You may even notice more energy and confidence in every step. Try adding an egg or a banana to your breakfast tomorrow morning. One small change can start the ripple effect. So you can move around your home, climb stairs, or go for a short walk without fear or strain.